here with Dr. Thomas O'Connor in St. Louis, home of the Cardinals, St. Louis Cardinals. And Dr. O'Connor, we just did a lower chrome surgery, mandible, that the patient had a chin graft that she had for 20 years plus. And so tell me a little bit about how was the surgery, how was the pre-planning, and what was your take on the whole day?
Well, the surgery was complicated, as you said, by this chin graft, which meant we couldn't do a labial flap, at least not an extensive labial flap. So Ro was kind enough to put the extra time in to design this so that we could do the regular chrome procedure, but without a carrier guide and without having to lay a labial flap, and still could get the implants in place and deliver the prosthesis on the same day. Surgery went very well. We had a couple of the implants that we tried to place did not torque, so we had to upsize, and we spent a little extra time there, but we were finished with the surgery at 10:30 and took our CT scan, and I'm just thrilled with the placement of the implants, and the patient looks amazing. Thomas came and helped us with the laboratory work and the surgery, and taught us a lot of, gave us a lot of tips that will make our future surgeries go well. And it was an enjoyable morning, believe it or not, and patient is delighted, and she's out talking to her daughter now, and we'll see her tomorrow morning to see how she's doing, but everything went very well.
Excellent. Listen, we appreciate you having us. We appreciate you doing Chrome with Ro, and we look forward to a bright future. We're doing a lot of cases with you, okay?
Me too.
Thank you.